What up, tube? Yeah, I just had to show this off here. So we're doing something a little special today. I was asked by a dear friend to create a piece that would be Manatee inspired. The friend of mine was kind enough to help me out with a situation that I've recently had with moving into this lovely studio here. Took advantage of the, name your price sale fundraiser that I had going on this past year and put in an order for a commission. And I thought it'd be really cool to do something, kind of fun and festive for this commission piece here. So I've been working on, some colors and patterns and just different things. And yeah, we're gonna explore a little bit and see what we can come up with. So the friend said that they really liked manatees. So we're gonna play with the manatee today. Yes, yes. And I have a lot of paint that's mixed up here that I can use for my playtime. So I'm not like too worried, if I run out of something. I know I have more than enough, I wasn't out of that white there. I was just kind of wanting to get some coverage going here, geez. Got a lot of painting happening here. Man. I already see a little something I gotta take care of here. What are you? What are you? Get out. Get out. Yes, yes. So, we have a beautiful wood piece that I'm gonna be working with here today also. And, this is actually a 16 by 20 canvas. This is not like the big size, the super duper canvases. And I say that because, I do have a super duper that I was thinking I might use for her. And I actually have 3 of these cutouts just in case, I don't like this one. I can always go back. And I was like, well, if I really don't like this, I could, I figure I'll try a few of these. And I'll let her pick which one she truly enjoys. But even, for these types of pieces here, I'll do them on the regular size canvases. I do have some super dupers that, I will sometimes use, especially for like shows, big judgment shows or whatever. It's all just kind of depending on, what the market is for it. Availability of the canvas also. It's more like now I've started to get a hold of those. I guess they're like the artist canvases. Now in my development here, it's like, oh yeah, you should be using these instead. All of this stuff. When you're self-taught, you don't know, a lot of these things. It's like getting some of this out of the way right now because I'm also self-taught in drawing. And I say that because I'm taking a college drawing class this spring. So, I don't know if I'm going to be pouring more or less since I do have, homework technically to do. And I'm having work pay for it, like straight up, before I even get settled in the chair. Yeah, y'all paying for this drawing class. Boss will be like, so yeah, I'm on my weekends, just, hey, I need to draw, and, I want to see if I can actually make this happen, take drawing, and, be artsy, quote unquote. But, when you're self-taught with a lot of things, you're like, what are all these things? Like, black art materials, what is that? I know what it is now, but, if you'd asked me before, I thought that all this stuff came from Dollar General. so now I have a nice whitely covered canvas. You can still kind of see the outline of our friend there. I'm going to set those two tools down for a moment. Something I just thought about with these canvases is that they're really good for tilting, you know, when you have them like this. Oh yeah, so manatees normally swim in a field of blue. Yeah, they're normally surrounded by blue. You know? It's a greenish blue sometimes in the waters. Actually, this is probably closer to the water blue right here for a manatee. If you've been following my latest paintings, and you kind of know what I'm doing, but I don't know, this kind of turned into like swipe manatee, to be honest with you. Like, yeah, you're following your pattern. No, I'm not. My pattern was blooms. This is not a bloom, but it'll still be cool. Add some sunshine in there. Little sunshine. So my colors. I actually have some really cool, like my blues, you know, the really deep blues, reds, all those. It's like an ultramarine blue and canary yellow that I'll be using later, or actually use, and whatever. Those actually come from, and it's gonna come to me, it's like golden. Yeah, I bought like a little cheapo golden kit, or a couple cheapo golden kits, you know, just to try some of the paints, and you know, they had some paints in there that I could try and mix up, so I've mixed them up for this, you know, I want to use some good paints. I think that purple might be one of them, that Doxy purple. So yeah, I have some golden paints in here, and they're mixed also. I have some what do they call this color? Folk art. Plaid is the actual brand, but folk art. Mix that. Is the brand. Plaid, I guess, is the company. But folk art makes some pretty good paints, and I like to use those in, you know, on occasion also. And you'll see those as they come in. Those are going to be your color shift paints, any of the glow-in-the-dark / blacklight paints that I'm using. I do have some glitter paints that I'm also going to be using. You know, those will just kind of get spread in as they need to be. I use a little more red. I don't know why. I'm kind of in a red mood today. It's like, I know manatees usually are red. We are killing our oceans. Yeah. There's my political statement for the day. We're killing our oceans and stuff. And save the birds. And this is a manatee painting. Save the birds. Most of us just heard birds outside. Yeah, and stuff. So I know, it's like a big mess of paint. It's like, what am I gonna do with this giant mess of paint? Man. I'm really kind of now thinking of a swipe. You would think I would have had an idea of what I was gonna do before putting paint onto the canvas. I mean, I could still blow this. Yeah. Because what I've been doing lately is blowouts. You know, but with blowouts, you don't really swirl everything like you do right now. You just kind of put it in puddles and blow it. This place about to blow. Whoa, 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 blow. Whoa, 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 whoa. This place about to blow. I don't know. What do you think? Could I pull it off? Could I pull it off? That's pretty cool, actually, right there. I'm just filling in some of the white areas. Oh, I see what you're doing. I see what you're doing over here. Mm-hmm. Like, you know I'm scooping. You know I'm scooping and slopping. Mm-hmm. You know exactly what I'm doing. I'm scooping that. I didn't ask you to come off my canvas just yet. What do you think? Am I about to do it? I'm about to do it. Something I just thought about was that I didn't really think about covering my walls, like the outside walls of the house or anything. All right, here's where it's gonna get like really interesting. Should I torch this first and then pick up my... And of course, like what I was thinking also is whatever piece I give her, I was going to give her the manatee to go with it, you know. Or, you know, subsequently, I guess, for the ones that she doesn't take, you know. I don't know. Maybe those would have the corresponding manatees with them. Maybe they'll be sold separately. I've done others similar. You know, nothing with like animals. Animals are new for this year. My first one being the manatee, of course. But I've done other, you know, cutouts. And sometimes I've given away the cutout with the thing. Sometimes I've left it separate, you know. So we'll see what happens here. Kind of don't want to do that. Okay, you're going there. All right, let's see here. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to take all of this off just yet, or... It's like because I'm doing 3 different things here, you know. There we go. Let's make you separate. I should tape the bottom of this, but whatever. I did not think about taping the bottom of this guy until like just now. I did not think about that. All right, so yeah, still got a lot in here, right? some reason it just kind of called out to me and said, "Do you want to tilt your canvas today instead?" I said, "Okay," because the manatee over there would look nicely background with this. Touching some areas. Not even touching up, just touching. You know? For some reason I like this. I don't know why. Maybe even looking at it there, I like it too. I want to retorch this though. Where? I'm like covered in stuff. Okay, where is my torch anyway? There it is. Sun's coming up on me. I do like it. As I start to torch over it, I'm seeing a lot of cellular action. Curious to see what these are going to look like if I have enough time to do so to get the sun off and check them under the black lights a little bit. Alright, I can make it repair real quick. I'll fight you. You know what I mean? I'll fight you. Okay? Just let me fight that little. I'm done fighting with it. Yeah. I won. Sorry, Peace. I won. Okay? You didn't win. I'm gonna fight this piece. Right? think I would have left it alone the first 12 times, right? No. Yeah, just grab that corner. Watch this. Just gonna tilt in that direction. I'm like, I will not be bullied by one corner of a painting. Bring my composition back. Yeah, I refuse to be bullied by that corner. Sorry. No. Shall see. Like I said, that's why I got 3 of them. The first cow at least looks good. Hopefully some of the paint sticks up there. Got a little bit of time. Maybe I can flip around and show you what the other ones look like. Let's see how this looks actually in black like that. The curiosity's kicking in, you know? Oh wait, no it helped. Kill that light. And then, okay, well, maybe got some glow to it. I didn't kill off everything, I guess. You know? Sun's coming up. It's decision time. Are we gemming today or what? Yeah, let's see if we can actually flip this around and check out the rest of the stuff while we're here. See what the Manatee looks like. And all that, you know? So here's the drying table and there's Mr. Manatee. I did a couple of other projects today, or this morning. Truly am here. Yeah, she actually looks good. was gonna try to like turn on the black light also with this. You guys see all of this stuff, but yeah, I can only do one thing at a time. That's the motto for this year. Right there. Anytime I'm like, hey there, let's try to concentrate on 12 things at once. And life's like, nope, you're only supposed to do one thing at a time. So, do you wanna be my? Do you? Deuces.